In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow others to upload in Dropbox. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just need input from friends or family, sharing a Dropbox folder where others can upload files is incredibly useful. I'll walk you through the steps needed to do this smoothly. So, let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to open Dropbox and navigate to the folder that you're aiming to share. This is a crucial step as you want to ensure that the correct folder, the specific one you're allowing uploads to, is selected. Once you've done that, take a moment to verify you're in the right location. It saves a lot of hassle down the line. Next, you'll need to right-click on this chosen folder. When you do so, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Share. This is like opening a door to collaboration, signaling you want to start the process of inviting others to interact with this space. Now, here's where you decide who gets access. A window will prompt you to enter the email addresses of the people you wish to invite. Think carefully about who will benefit from this access. Perhaps colleagues, collaborators, or maybe friends who are working on a shared project with you. By typing their email addresses, you are specifying exactly who will get permission to contribute by uploading files to this folder. After you've entered these emails, you will see options about the kind of access you are granting. It's imperative here to select Can Edit. Why? Well, by choosing Can Edit, you're granting upload capabilities to these users. Without this setting, they might be able to view files, but won't be able to contribute new ones. Once you've confirmed everything is set up the way you want, hit Send. Clicking this button completes the process, triggering invitations to the users you've selected. They'll be notified and can start uploading files as soon as they accept your invitation. Alternatively, if you prefer a different approach, you can create a shared folder link. This link should have edit permissions when you generate it. Sharing the link is straightforward. Simply send it to anyone you want to give access to. This method can sometimes be more convenient when reaching out to a larger group, or when you prefer to bypass individual invitations. And there you have it. Those are the simple steps to enable others to upload files to your Dropbox. It's a great feature for fostering collaboration and ensures everyone on your team can contribute effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.